everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me. So today we're going to review lip balms from MyGlam. So this the brand which claims this is a cruelty free, paraben free, D5 free and talc free, UV filters free and also pH balance. 6 properties it's claimed. So this means a lot because nowadays everything they are creating mostly like cruelty free or else paraben free. So over here you're getting 6 benefits, 6 chemical and this all the negative things free. So this beautiful thing they are creating from Manish Malhotra, MyGlam. So this is a pH balanced lip balm. So I have today 4 different shades over here. This is the first I'll show you, and before that I'm gonna tell something more. This is a perfect combination lip care and lip color. Our tinted lip balm keeps your lips soft and hydrated, infused with fruity goodness, and the formula is pH balanced to enhance your natural lip color. So it claims really totally perfect because I have used those lip balms and now you can see the packaging. It's already, you can see it's been used so many times, and so this is a beautiful formula. I don't know how they have made it, but after, even not me, if you consider me not in this space, even my friends, my colleagues have used those lip balms after my suggestion and they also loved it. They said this is a best lip balm. This retails like 345 rupees, but I'll definitely gonna assure you that you will get a discount on MyGlam page. If you're using their MyGlam app, there is a lot of coupon code and discounts. They are just going on every week. They will come with a new offer, so you can check it out and you'll get it on discount. Watch this video. For the first, I have this Netflix and Chill. This is a beautiful red color, so it's a Netflix vibes. So this is a beautiful formula. You can see it's like this, the amount you are getting. I am telling you it's 2 gram, but it will be used, it will go more than a month, I'm telling you. So this is a beautiful red color. It doesn't give any color as such. After like using, it will give a light hint of your red color. It will not give any color as such, which I like, because other lip balms what it do, like they gives colors, otherwise they give moisturize. And this is a very lightweight lip balm, so if you are having chapped lips, it will gonna cure fast. If you are using a thick lip balm like a Nivea does, I used to use Nivea, but I just hate it now. I don't like that much heavier lip balm. Even if you are using under the lipstick, it will not look good, like it will feel like very chappy kind of or something like that, because in the winter time we love to use lip balm or any kind of balm under our lipsticks, because it's a winter, our lips get chapped, so it's better to use a lightweight lip balm. So it doesn't give any color as such, but on your lips it will leave after some time a hint of red. So this is a beautiful formula. And the next I have, this is Rose All Day. This is a beautiful pink color. I'll tell you why. This is the lip balm the thing is, it doesn't give any kind of color as such at first, but this is the lip balm. It gives a beautiful pink tint on your lips after some time. It just will just beautiful pink color. It just gives on your lips. It's like a natural lip color. I just totally love it. I don't know how to explain. I have really bought 2 tubes of this, and one of my friend using this, so she also absolutely loved this lip balm. So this is Rose All Day. So the third one is Orange Crush. This is a pale, like orange kind of lip balm. This doesn't give that much hint of orange color, but this is also very beautiful lip balm. So I can give a swatch over here. If you can, there is a little bit pink color showing up. It will be more pink after some time. So this is the orange, and the fourth one is the Bite Me. I personally didn't like this Bite Me as such, because the Rose All Day made the expectation so high. This doesn't like come up with that. So the lip balm again. So this is all it today's video, and my 2 favorite lip balms are the Rose one and the Netflix one. So if you like a rosy lips, so you can go for the Rose one, and red kind of lips, you can go for the Netflix one.